Hi, and welcome to the GOSUB tutorial on shot changes. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to correctly snap your cues to the shot changes. As a general rule, if the audio ends 7 frames or less from the shot change, we will want to place our out cue 2 frames before the shot change, and where possible, we want our in cue to start on the shot change. We can set these in our project settings so that we can later check that we have correctly snapped our cues to the shot change. Navigate to the toolbar and open your project settings. We will click on Cues. Here we will find Snap Before Shot Change. We have it correctly set at 2 frames. And next to that we can see Snap After Shot Change. And we have it correctly set at 0 frames. So now that our settings are correct, we can begin to check our shot changes. As explained in the module, you will be able to see if your in cue or out cue is snapped correctly to the shot change by the side orange diamonds, as in the example of subtitle 34. In this example, our out cue should be snapped 2 frames before the shot change. So we can edit our out cue by either dragging the out cue to the left to reduce the duration, or by clicking on the minus icon on the out cue to move it frame by frame until we see the orange diamonds.